Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right into the EUR JPY pair, which has been showing some fascinating moves lately. It looks like the bulls are trying to regain control, pushing the pair up from its recent lows around the 178.20 mark. Currently, we're seeing some buying interest, and the euro is getting a slight boost from the positive sentiment surrounding the upcoming French elections. Now, as we look at the chart, the pair is flirting with the 183.00 level. If the buyers can maintain this momentum, the first real test, the first major hurdle, is looming just ahead near the psychological barrier of 185.00. This is a critical level to watch. A decisive break above this could signal that the bulls are truly back in the driver's seat and might open the door for a retest of those higher levels we saw earlier this month. The technical indicators are also giving us some mixed signals. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is starting to creep up from the oversold territory. This could mean there's more room for the price to climb before it gets overextended. However, we're still trading below some key moving averages, which could act as resistance on the way up. So, it's not a clear-cut path for the bulls just yet. But here's the wild card we absolutely cannot ignore. Potential intervention from Japanese officials. We've been hearing a lot of chatter about this. Just this week, Japan's top currency official, Atsushi Mimura, came out and said he is concerned about the currency moves and is ready to take appropriate action against any excessive weakness in the yen. What does this mean for us? Well, this verbal intervention is essentially a warning shot. They're trying to talk up the yen without actually spending money to buy it. If traders believe the threat is credible, it could provide a significant boost to the Japanese yen, and a stronger yen would naturally act as a headwind for the EUR JPY pair, potentially capping any rally and pushing it back down. So, even if the euro finds strength and the technicals look promising for an upward move, we have to be extremely cautious. The threat of intervention from the Bank of Japan or the Ministry of Finance is very real and could throw a wrench in the works at any moment. This creates a really dynamic tug-of-war between the euro's fundamental drivers and the Japanese government's policy stance. In summary, keep a close eye on that 185.00 resistance level. A break above it could be a strong bullish signal, but always, and I mean always, have the words of Japanese officials in the back of your mind. Any hint of action from them could quickly reverse the trend. It's a classic battle between technicals and fundamentals, and it's going to be an exciting one to watch. That's all for today's analysis. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more market insights. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.